Are we clear to take off? Over.
Wait, let me on the computer. Oh snap. Broken or what?
It is, on. Let's take off.
The GPS broke.
At least, I remember where we are going.
Good. Marvelous, marvelous. According to the weather, it is going to be raining, heavily.
Oh, snap, sir.
The computer signal broken.
Oh snap, again. We don't know where we are going.
It is very bumpy, you know.
Eric, pull that thing upwards.
Mayday, mayday. Comet Tower to Amada, can you read me? Over.
I take that as a no. Shoot, I think the computer is back on. The runway Amada is very near, I estimate, is 10.8 kilometer.
Okay, we are going in fast speed. Maybe not. The weather pushing the plane too fast, like 1,000 knots.
The Amada airport is very near now. Let lower the plane. We are in 300 feet, you know. That feet thingy is broken.
HMMLK, we are landing. Attention to all passenger. Fasten your seat belt. We are landing.
250 feet, 200 feet. We are descending too fast.
I see the landing strip. Okay, 100 feet, 50 feet, 40 feet, 30 feet, 20 feet, 10 feet, and boom, we have landed.
The wheels are screeching. Okay, we have landed. Good, I clap.
Okay, plane 8448, please taxi to gate 2.
Okay, is very hard to see, Eric. I think I can see a little bit.
Yehor, correct hope. Okay, done. Open the door, brain.